One of the main reasons I bought this excavator was to mulch brush on this ranch and potentially for other people in the future. I seriously considered buying a drum style mulcher. Those range from $18,000 to $25,000. They take up a lot of hydraulic flow, which this KX040 excavator only has about 17 gallons per minute auxiliary flow. The drum style mulchers do a better job of turning an area into like a finished area that's completely mulched. I ended up going with this disc style mulcher from Rut Manufacturing. Because of the price, the quality, this one was only $6,000 out the door, delivery included, which seems like a great deal. They go through material a little bit faster, but they leave it a little bit more rough too. This mulcher should spin up easier at a higher rate and get bogged down less. So because of that, I went with this disc style mulcher, and we're just about to connect it up to this excavator. Now, because I'm brand new to excavators, I had no idea what fittings I needed, what threads they were, and I think it ended up being British parallel pipe thread, which is very similar to the Japanese industrial pipe thread. It took me a whole afternoon researching on the internet what threads to use. That's what I came up with. I ended up ordering online 1/2-inch flat face couplers with NPT threads, and to connect it I ordered a male to male BPPT, the British parallel, to NPT. On Amazon I ordered the 1/2-inch flat face couplers with the NPT thread, and it was a NPT F, which is for fluid. It's supposed to be such a tight squeeze that it doesn't allow anything. We don't need plumber's tape or anything like that. But on the excavator side, it needed a crush washer. It needs a crush washer. On the excavator side, it needs a crush washer. And yeah, I'm gonna try to put it together. Been sick as a dog for 3 or 4 days. My whole family was sick for about 2 weeks. So we're just now starting to get better. Still got a cough. It's a long, ongoing cold. All that said, let's get started. Everything's here. We're gonna try to connect everything up. All right, that was the first time I took this bucket off. Also, first time putting on any type of new implement. Oh, I don't know how that's gonna work yet, but it's all new to me. Okay, that connected. You know what I'll do? I'll end up getting a bungee cord and go around here. I was tickled whenever these fittings worked. I checked them off the machine a couple days ago. I'm a brand new baby to excavators. I'm gonna spare y'all me fiddling with this. I'm gonna get it hooked up. All right, I got it double bungeed in. I turned the valve inside of the hydraulic bay. I think I just have to thumb through inside the cab and put it on the hammer or brush cutter. I'm not sure exactly. Man, we'll see if it'll run. I hope this works. So the only one I have is hammer. Ooh, I can feel that has some weight to it. Oh shoot. I have it hooked up backwards. Huh, it must be hooked up backwards. Well, because I didn't know which was in and which was out, I just assumed that they were right. Apparently, I gotta flip them. Whenever I took the first flat face coupler off, it leaked out a ton of oil. I forgot, but I needed to switch that valve back, that two-way valve right there, and it took me a while, so I leaked out maybe just a couple cups of oil. Put this back on the hammer, the 3rd setting. All right. Okay, so you press left on this thumb valve. It works. Wow, this can really mess some stuff up. I'm gonna shut it down. And I wanna check for leaks. That side looks dry. So yeah, that's what it was. I just reversed them. I guess it's time to test it. A couple trees right here. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on constant. And let it spin up. I'm gonna do half throttle. been in this machine in a while. Look at what I'm doing. Wow, this is cool. Okay, when I'm lifting, it does shut off the, one of the functions shuts off. Whoa, baby. Big tree, let's go. Uh-oh. About 3/4 throttle here. Other way. And I forget which way to tilt this bucket. Cool. Cool. Now that one got hung up in the vines. I think once I get the hang of it, I'll be able to not leave as much of this sort of situation. I guess in the meantime, I'll still have to make some burn piles till I figure out what exactly to do. Yeah, I'm stoked on it. I'm sick as a dog, so I'm not as stoked as I normally would be. And I'm not operating at full capacity here. Now, how much? Nope, that's all the way tilted. And I don't have any bind on my hosies. I like that. Oh, baby. Oh. Oh, I'm all the way out. Good. Let's scoot up. Bring this back a little bit. Get leveled off. like hitting that bottom. I want to hit it on the side. It's a hardwood now. Hackberry. Wow. I've seen guys split it in half and then come back. Oh. Hit something. I guess I hit that stump. It prevented me from going left. Wow. Yeah, it keeps it spun up pretty well. And the stuff's really only, you know, all the material's flying out maybe 20, 30 feet max. Oh, go the other way. Ooh, we'll get in the dirt. Now, let's see if I can get some of this brush cleared up. Oh, it's going to be a trick not to get into other trees that I want to keep. Now, see if I can use this to grab. Yeah, I don't want to grab too much, I get my lines tangled. Oh, no. Damn, I almost just messed up by getting my controls reversed. You know what? For now, I'm just gonna call this good. Because, like I said, I'm not at anywhere near full capacity here with the mental or the physical. Decent sized trees here, and they're almost down flush the soil surface. It is rough, it's definitely rough right here. I could come back here with the grapple and grab what's left and pile it up, and we'll burn it. I mean, I think eventually I'll be able to knock it down a little bit better where I won't have to do that. It'll just be good enough. All right, great first day with the Rut Manufacturing 28-inch disc mulcher. No leaks. Thank God, praise the Lord. Oh, here's a leak. Here's a leak right here. And it looks like it's coming out of this one. Yeah, it sure is. All right, I'll see if I can get that tightened up. So this is about 2 weeks later. I've ran this implement at least 8 hours so far. Really gotten the hang of it. You can do a lot of clearing of the small trees relatively quickly. However, once a larger branch or a stem falls on the ground, it's almost impossible to mulch it up. Aside from that, it's pretty great. You can get the stumps basically to the ground level and really clear an area relatively quickly. I love it. And I wanted to end the video here. I'm going to wrap it up. We'll see you guys in the next one. Please like, subscribe, comment. We'll see you in the next one.